This is the one thing you need to do to make your voice more attractive to women and more magnetic to people in general, because you speak with conviction, because people will start to believe that what comes out of your mouth, you feel in your heart, it's your truth. And it's this: finish your sentences in a falling tone, in a downward tone. Because most people, they speak with a rising tone. They finish their sentences in a rising tone, and that conveys uncertainty, that conveys that they don't truly believe in what they have to say. So if you finish your sentences in a lowering tone, people are gonna perceive you as someone that is an authority figure, someone that truly believes in the words that come out of their mouth. Now drop me a follow if you want to become more magnetic with women.